22 years old. I'm in my master's degree, IT methods applied to management. I had my bachelor degree in the same field. Last March I participated to SAP in Jam, and I studied design thinking with OpenSAP. Also, my bachelor thesis was with the civil office of airports and aviation. Was at an Android application which console instantly the schedule at Tunisian airport. And also I participate to many 24 hours challenges in Tunis. And my last internship was in Mannheim. I built and designed a new website for the university. I consider myself a proactive, and I have an inquiring mind. I'm good in time management. It's my nature. I've never organized.
Hello, my name is Mohamed Mourani. I'm 23 years old. I'm in my second year in master at IT methods applied to management. My bachelor degree was in the same field at the Management Higher Institute of Tunis. And of course, I obtained it after a project. My project was on consulting and system information. I built a desktop application a decisional desktop application that allow the users to analyze the data and check the electronic invoice. And I participated in challenges like SAP in Jam, Google DevFest, and Innovation Day, etc. And also my last internship was in the summer. I made an internship in the College Developer Center. So we have only 2 months to build a mobile application on Android and iOS. So I have also a little knowledge about the IT security, and also I have many programming languages that I can use. And I describe myself like active and creative programmer. I want always to do new applications, mobile application, to make easy some new topic and something like that. So we choose two subjects to combine our knowledge, and we want to make 2 big projects. So it's a research project. The first one, we called it the coach. So like the name, we want to create a virtual coach that help the users to make fitness exercises and keep good health. So as you can see, this is the list for the big enterprises in the world, and the top 5 from this list are working on fitness and health projects like Apple, Google, Samsung, Intel, etc.
So we have some examples here for the new applications. Samsung with the fitness platform, with using the new smartphones like Galaxy S5 and App, and Apple too with the health kits, and also the Mac Plus application, and Google with the Google Fit. And we noticed from the statistics from the last year that the life cycle of the health and fitness application is more important than the overall application.
So our projects have 2 parts, software parts and hardware parts. So let's talk about the software. So at first we have to make a big research about the most important fitness exercises that the users make, and like skipping rope, jumping, push-ups, pull-ups, and different exercises for push-ups and pull-ups, running, walking, etc. And after that, we will use the phone sensors. So with the phone sensor, we will need a tester, for example, that he will make this exercise, and we will try to store the data from the phone sensors. Like the tester will put the phone in his pocket, and he will make an abdominal exercise, and we will store the data from the phone sensor and try to analyze it and to make our algorithm for these exercises. And after that, we will use OpenCV. Of course, it has some exercises that we cannot detect with the phone sensors, so we will use the phone camera. So the user can put the phone, and the camera will detect the movement. So we will use OpenCV. OpenCV is a development kit that allows the programmer to use the phone camera and detect the human gesture.
So our application or platform is based on the cloud. So we'll use the PaaS technology for the cloud infrastructure. And after that, we will build our mobile application, Android and iOS. For Android, we will target the smartphones, the smartwatches, the new smartwatches, and of course we use the Google Fit, the new SDK. And the same thing for iOS, but we'll use the Apple Health Kit.
Let's talk about hardware. So Alan Kay said that the people who are serious about software should make their own hardware. And this part for the projects is very important for us. So at first, we will use the Android license. We will use our OpenCV algorithm with this camera to make the compatibility with the 64 bits devices and computers, to make the human recognition gesture more easy and more exact. So the Intel camera can help us to make a more exact algorithms. And after that, we will attack the Raspberry Pi electronic cards. It's the best electronic cards in the store. It can run a computer. It can replace a computer. And with these cards, we want to build our hardware. We want to build our wearable technology. So it's we will design, for example, a wearable T-shirt, a wearable technology T-shirt that allow us to detect all the gestures of the user. We can detect also the heart rate, the movement, and etc. And this is it will take us a big research work. Thank you.
So for the project,
and we will talk now about the second project.
so for the second project, we chose the Cloud University. Is a new way for the e-learning. So we have some statistics for the e-learning. Over 30% of the big companies use some form of educational technology. We have for new numbers, like in 2011, there is $35.6 billion was spent on self-paced e-learning access to the globe. And today, it's $55.2 billion. And we can see the e-learning is expected to grow at an average of 23% in the years, 2013 to 2017. Moodle is highly flexible, a free software, open source e-learning platform, and widely the most important and used in the world. But it remains they have big problems like communication and security. So while developing this application, communication and e-learning is an important part for the education program. So through our application, you have the opportunity to learn online, and you have a better communication between the students and being up to date with all the new skills, and you have the easier and faster access to the courses, and everything will be noticed. You can get everything on your laptop, or you get some notification on your mobile.
Let's talk about the technical parts. So, of course, like the name, we will use the cloud for this project. So, for the cloud infrastructure, we will use SAP HANA and Amazon Web Services. So, Amazon Web Services allow us to use the infrastructure and SAP HANA for the database. And we choose these tools because Amazon Web Services allow us to use an elastic cloud. So we pay only what we consume. And it's the best cloud service offer in the world. So after that, we will make our services that we will share to the users. So we will, for example, we will make the service how to share the parcels, how to send a notification, etc. in our server. So we will build our server, for example, with Microsoft technology and our security program, etc. After that, we will attack the mobile platform to make the students' life more easy with the mobile. You know that the mobile is the technology, the most technology used in the world. So our application will be compatible with all the devices, with all the platforms, with all the operating systems. And after that, it has the web platforms. It's the same application but on computers, accessed by the web, to allow the administrations, the professors, and also the students to consume their accounts and share and use our features. So our objective is start this research project and try to analyze the other e-learning platforms problems, and after that we will try to find the solutions and fix all these problems, and